Hello all my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas. For today's video, I want to show you a copy trading tutorial. The best way, easy way to make crypto money on BitGet. So just stick with me until the very end. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Sima Crypto. If you don't have a BitGet account, just go in my description below and you'll find it, or in my pinned comment below, and you open with me a BitGet account, and you will earn up to $3,000 if you open with me. So with that said, let's start the video. Copy trading is one way of making money in crypto, and BitGet is the best exchanger when it comes to copy trading. Actually, it is ranked #1 when it comes to copy trading. This one is not a financial advice. First, make your own research before you invest your own money. So hope you've got your BitGet account, and if you don't have it, you know exactly what to do. So let's start the video. Once you're on BitGet here, you come on copy trading. Copy trading on BitGet, it has a lot of features. First of all, you have futures copy trading. Copy trades from top traders. So there is spot copy trading, there is strategy copy trading, there is create a strategy and a leaderboard. Let's start with future copy trading. So this future copy trading includes leverages. So these are the ranked #1, this is #2 and second and the fourth. So if you want copy trading on top of futures, so you can come here and select exactly only futures. So if you want spot trading, you come here, you click here, these are the top traders, all traders. If you need all traders, you can select there. So this one, it doesn't have leverages, so you just need your normal percentage as it gains. So these are the people who have gained a lot. These are return on investment, these are total profit and loss, copier NPL, assets under management. So you can see all of those ones. So if you want to copy them, of course you can come here and copy. So there is strategy copy trading. When it comes to copy trading on strategies, of course you subscribe with this amount. It depends how this person is selling his strategy or her strategy. So you can copy from it. And if you want to make your own strategy, of course you come here and create a strategy for yourself, and you even make your own money or money for subscription. So if you don't know how to make a strategy for yourself, I'll make a video so that you can learn how you can make your own strategy. So there is a leaderboard. Leaderboard here, when it comes to leaderboard, it has top 500 traders worldwide. This one leaderboard, it combines all of these ones. So when you click here, so you'll find a lot of things. So this one is ranked #1, this one is ranked #2, this one is ranked #3. So when you come here, there is local and global. These are local people, like they mean people who are around you in your country, or people who are nearby your country. So this is how they are ranked. You can see ranked #1, rank, these are users, position, how they are positioned, this is a winning rate. So return on investment this week. So if you want to say, like, you know the user by name, you can come here, of course, and you look for that specific name. So you can come here on global. So these global are ranked in the whole world. So when it comes to copy trading, you have to select exactly as long time as possible. So for this one, you're going to go for this month, because when it comes like yesterday, someone can make, maybe by luck, can make that percentage and outnumber all of these ones. So by week, of course, someone can make the same thing depending on how maybe a coin has been moving. Even for 7 days is the same as 1 week, but for a month, at least someone cannot just go by luck. You can go for a month and see exactly how it is moving. So once you're here, you will see how they are ranked, right from #1, #2, and so forth and so forth. So you can see the position, the winning rate, return on the investment. So once you select the person that you wish to use, let me say this one, then you will come here, then you copy, you follow him. So here, this person has futures and spot. It depends, of course, this one is a leaderboard. So you're going to see how this person is moving. You can see total futures assets, they are not visible. So when you go to total trades, he has made 1006 trades in the last 1 month. So when you come on members, these are the members that he has. So when you come to followers, these are the followers that he has, almost 7 people to reach on his maximum. So when you go on trading data, you can see return on the investment, you can see the trading orders, actual followers, and asset under management. You can see them. So this is the winning rate, total profits and loss, you can see them. So these are the charts. So when you come here, of course you're going to see, so if you want like 3 weeks, you can go for 3 weeks, but for me I'm going to all. So here you're going to see the trading pairs available. This person is trading pairs, so it means this person trades only BTC and Ethereum, as you can see here. So this is how this person trades. So when you come here, these are the charts. So when you come and select here, these are the charts, but as we said, we go for as long time as possible. So when you reach here and you select, of course, 1 month, so even this one you can go for a 1 month. So when you come here, you can see how it is ranked. So for 1 month and this one, you can see how it is moving. When you go down here, you can see the preferred trading pairs, how they are ranked on the pie chart. So when you come here for 1 month, of course you have to select that one and see how they are percentage, so you can see which pair he has traded most in the last month. So when you come here, of course you go for a serious month, you can see how the position hold duration, how it is moving, and you can see the winning rate and the losses. So when you come here on trading volumes, you can see the volume, how he has been moving. So when you go for a full month, you can see exactly how the month has been moving for him and how he has been trading. So this is all what you can do exactly. So you come here and copy. If I told this trader you have liked him and how he has been doing everything possible. So if you want a tutorial on a specific this trader, you can come here and see exactly how he has been doing. So when you come here, you can see the futures, trading, pairs to follow. So you can see all of these ones. So if you want to go and transfer the money, maybe you want to add your money, you can come here and transfer. So this one, you will transfer your money maybe from spot to USDT perpetuals. So it depends where your money is. So if your money is in cross margin or isolated margin or pay to pay or spot, so you select, then you go exactly to this one. And so once you are done, you go on transfer amount, you put the amount that you want to transfer, then you confirm. So once you have the amount, it will already be here. So once you are done, you can come here and specifically put the amount that you want to put. So you can use fixed amount or the multiplier, it depends which you want to select. Once you are done with that one, so you can go to a fixed, maybe it depends. Here there is risk management. So this one, there is stop loss, take profit and maximum. So when you come here, exactly, you can select the stop loss, the take profit and the maximum followers that you want to do. But here, to me, I believe that you leave stop loss and take profit for this person, because so if you want to set your stop loss and take profit, it means that you will not make this possible amount of money depending on the money this trader is making, because you will limit him. You will limit this person not to enter in a trade with other traders, maybe with other corporate traders that he has entered in a trade with. So he will always wait for your trade to come, and which is not okay. So it depends, but to me that's how I do. So once you are done with everything, you of course you go on select. So once you are done with everything, you click on confirm and your money will already be there. So that's all with copy trading. So if you want another trade that might be, of course you can go as possible. You can copy so many traders so that you can maximize your profits. So if you want maybe to copy another trade, of course you go the same procedure and you see even the winning rate, the assets under management, the total profits and the loss. So once you're done with everything, of course you go on the same procedure, as simple as that. So that's all with copy trading. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. So if you don't have a BitGet account, of course you go in my description below or in my pinned comment below section. You will find that link and you open with me. So bye for today. Good luck.